Hello traders, please let's trade with candlestick psychology. Maybe the trend line here. What is happening here? Okay, it means sellers will enter here for 30 seconds. I'll go with a higher option. I place here a higher option because I saw in 30 seconds I saw sellers entering the market, but very weak. It simply means that buyers will continue the market. I drew the level here, okay, to prove that this is my level, okay. So at this point we should expect sellers to break the level a little bit, or better still fill the gap here. That is why I place here a higher option. Okay, it's a win trade. So they broke the level. Okay, what is happening here now? Okay, no way, let me hold on. Placement trade. Oh my god, I knew it. I knew this was going to happen, but I wasn't sure, so I had to wait. It's funny, man, like when the market, it seems the market isn't promising. It doesn't look attractive for you to place your trade. It doesn't look attractive at all. Do we have any news? No. So why do we have this strong sellers? Anyway, let's see what will happen. I'll go with a higher option here. Okay, let's see what will happen. This is heck. Let's see what will happen. I know someone will for sure place here a lower option mainly because of the strong sellers and this level. Okay, but there's one thing you must know, that market, there's one thing you must know, that market reversing strongly, rejecting strongly here, despite we have these strong sellers in the market, yet buyers will still take the market. Buyers will still take it up because of this level 1, because of the strong rejections from here. The market is actually not promising, and look at where the market closed here. So we have wicks here, so we should expect buyers in the market. That is why I place here a higher option. Here also I'll go with a higher option. The same scenario here, okay. That is why I place here a higher option. place here a higher option because of this same scenario here. Okay, so there's no need to explain much here. Okay, the market is a little bit it's funny here, so I think I'll stop trading. It's enough for now. I'll stop trading. I saw this opportunity here, but I don't think I can trust this. I don't think I can trust this. No, I wanted to go with a lower option because there's no level here, and spinning top candlestick at a level should continue the market down, but the market is not promising, it's not attractive. Okay, I'll stop trading here. Okay, I think 3 trades it's enough. Actually, for this I have sessions that I've been trading. Okay, I know when I do trade, when there is a need to do video, and then I mean to explain some 1 or 2 things, then I will explain to you. But personally, I have about 15 trades per day, and I have particular time that I do the 15 trades. Today it's only 12 trades. My 4th trade, 5 trade in the morning, 4 trade in the afternoon, and 3 trades this time. So it's enough. You don't have to rush your account. Okay, and secondly, always target payout percentage like this. Okay, always target something like this, 92%, from 85 to 92% payout. With you targeting something like this, you will know the exact time to trade, when to trade and when not to trade. Don't be trading below 70% payout, or 75, below 75. Don't be trading it, because it won't give you it won't give you good profit. Okay, if you know you are, maybe to the new traders, if you have 60% win ratio every day, you can make some small profit from here with this. Okay, that is how I began. Like this is what I did. Like, when I realized it was very difficult for me to make 70% win ratio initially, I focused on this payout percent, and got being so good. If I'm able to hit 3 trades in a row like this, 3 win in a row like this, I stopped trading, because 5 trades, okay, 5 trades will give you 5 trades 100%, 5 win in a row 100%, and then 2 lost in 5 trades will give you 60%. So with this, you make some profit, small profit, and doing that, it's just a practice. Okay, don't think you want to trade with this and make good amount of money. No, it's just practice. Learn how to control your emotions. This is how I learned how to control my emotions. I always target 60% win ratio in the beginning, and when I lost 2 in 5 trades, I don't get bored, I don't get worried. The only thing I do is I make sure that my first trade, I don't lose it, because when you lost your first trade, yo man, like the film, I mean, you begin to lose control, because you are new. But now, if I lost my first trade, I don't care, because I know for sure I will recover my loss. So try as much as possible and learn from this. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Okay, thank you for watching my video.